Why are you putting all of your eggs in one basket, which is connecting to other people, and you don't hang a person's resilience or mental strength on himself? Because the general central force of nature is precisely in the connection between people that are equal, where each of them is devoted to the others, rising above his own particular ego, and is integrated in them. This way, we make out of ourselves, build out of ourselves this kind of atmosphere, society, an example in which we suit the general nature, which is entirely integral, global, interconnected in all of its parts, mutually. We suit society to the general nature. And then we begin to feel in our connection between 10 people, as the wisdom of Kabbalah recommends. Among these 10 people, we start feeling like in a laboratory, like when you do an experiment, we start feeling additional, special forces there in our connection. The general force of nature, the global, integral force of nature, begins to appear there. And we can study it, feel it, draw the resilience from it, confidence, the understanding of our development, the ability to see our tomorrow, everything that you need. For example, business. I have an organization and I build the connection, the relationships between people in that organization in a way that everyone thinks about everyone else, and we create this integrality that you've described. Will they be able to see the tomorrow in a more successful way than some other organization that works the way they do today? This kind of connection, is it something that gives us the ability to see the tomorrow, the resilience, the confidence in all realms of life? In everything. Suddenly, they'll become more successful than everyone else. They'll start seeing the tomorrow. So much so. Yeah? But on condition that each of them rises above his own ego towards the others. So what exactly is this condition? To be devoted to the group. To accept the goal of the group as my own personal goal. To really be devoted. Because what do you mean by being devoted? So it won't be in make-believe, but that it'll... To be devoted, it means that I accept everything that the group wants as my personal, greatest, and actually only goal. And then, on this condition, we are 10 that are as one. We're connected between us in a connection called love. This kind of connection is called love, and not the corporeal, biological, or hormonal love. And then we're really capable of bringing ourselves to very special states.